Grab a seat, folks, because this is a story of how I could have died after getting swept away in an avalanche while snowmobiling in the heart of the Canadian Rockies. It was over 60 kilometers to ride in here on our sleds, which is a really long trail ride, but totally worth it. We have this place to ourselves. Oh yeah. Anyone looking for a Christmas tree? Another day, another hands through the intake. That's why I bring tape. Too easy. All right. As much fun as me. There's one. How far is that going to go? Oh, pretty good. Now they got to get that one out. How do you even do that? You need a turbo is what you need. Boost. I started eyeing up this one face that looks absolutely perfect. The snow was pretty consolidated that day. We hadn't seen any slab avalanches anywhere, and we thought that everything was going to be sturdy, so I aimed straight for it while I had my buddies hanging out, keeping an eye out for avalanche watch. But did I really save it? Because if you look at the right-hand side of the screen, you can see my shovel falling out of my bag, which I did not notice. This here is an avalanche backpack. If you ever happen to find yourself in an avalanche, you pull this handle here, and it has two large bladders that inflate out of the side. Imagine yourself as a unpopped popcorn kernel, and you've got a bag of popped popcorn. If you take that kernel and you put it in the popped popcorn and you shake it, the kernel goes to the bottom. That is you in an avalanche. Now, if you take that same kernel and you pop it, which is basically what those bladders do, and you put that in the bag of popcorn and you shake it, that popped kernel now stays near the top. That is basically what the bag does. It prevents you from getting dragged down, because as you're riding down the avalanche, it goes over top of itself and it tries to pull you in, and it keeps you, hopefully, above the snow the entire way down. What's up? Hey there, Mr. Whiskey Jack. Hey there, Mr. Adolfo. Yeah, buddy.
Here we are, Topping Pass. Warwick and I made it up to almost one of the highest peaks. Taking a look at the view from where we were. Warwick, show us how it's done. Fresh lines at the top of the mountain. Let's go, Warwick, all the way to the top. Avalanche. He started a slide. There comes his sled over the rocks. There he is, pulled his chute and everything. Wow, that's what happens, hey? Oh my goodness.
Holy fuck. Well, that was gnarly. Every time we come out here, we're playing with fire. Just a reminder. This is a photo Adolfo took of the avalanche path from the bottom. Enhance a little bit, we'll see me with the avalanche bag bladders completely full. When you look at the Avi path, you can actually see the spot where my sled rolled all the way down and got very close to that big cliff, but luckily avoided both me and the cliff. You can see it crack all the way across the face, and then I fall off, and luckily I fell onto my back, which allowed me to kind of ride it down, and you can see my sled barreling down behind me. As I was riding the avalanche down, you can actually see that I'm at the front of it and how it falls on top of itself. So if I didn't have my bag, there's a very good chance that it would have barreled on top of me. Avalanche is set like concrete, so there's no way of getting out. It's basically a tomb. You need to rely on your friend knowing where you were and having the right equipment to find you in time.
That's the biggest avalanche we've seen anywhere all day. Oh my God.
When we got back to Logan, his words were, "Wow, back already?" Which absolutely blew my mind because all of this happened in under 20 minutes. It felt like a lifetime. This sled's name is Reliable Red.
Not anymore.
Unfortunately, not anymore.
Reliable Red just seized its engine.
That is a seized engine right there. Nothing. Toast. Luckily, we're only about 5 kilometers away from the parking lot.